For today's video, we will show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. So let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is simply go to the Bitget and create an account or log in to your existing one if you have, and navigate to the human icon and choose the API management section at the very top corner. And then once you are in the API management here, click on create new API, then fill in notes, API passphrase, permission settings, and IP address. And after you hit the next button, your key is going to be created, and you can then copy the API key and passphrase for the next steps. Please note, do not leak your key to avoid any loss of assets, and the API key used to connect to TradingView cannot be bound to an IP address. Alright, now, next step is connecting your Bitget account to TradingView, so head over to TradingView. Okay, then log in to your existing one. So if you have an account created to TradingView, you might want to log in using your credentials. And then once you've logged in, go to our products and choose charts right here. Then navigate to our TradingView's trading interface and scroll down to the bottom. Select trading panel, as you can see it here. Then see all brokers and choose, when you click on see all brokers, gonna choose Bitget. Alright. Then a pop-up screen will appear and you will need to enter your Bitget's API key and passphrase to connect. That's the thing that you've copied earlier from your Bitget account. And after clicking connect, you will be redirected to Bitget's login page. And once again, simply log into your existing Bitget account to connect it with your TradingView by authorizing the integration. Just connect here. Now, after doing so, you can start trading on Bitget using the TradingView interface. Your positions on Bitget account will automatically synchronize with your TradingView account. And to manage your open positions on your Bitget account, head down to the Bitget tab below the TradingView's trading interface right here. And please do note that currently TradingView only supports perpetual futures trading, and the traders of Bitget copy trading cannot be used this function. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.